In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Google. Now choose All Services. Scroll again and this time click on AutoFill with Google here. Then choose Google Password Manager and click on any password you wish to update. Enter your screen lock. Tap on Edit button and finally change whatever you want to make sure AutoFill is working properly. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!